Nano kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Ento's crispy liempo. These are actually crispy thins, yun ang tinatawag nila. Pork belly thins na talaga namang mapapapapakan. Ito guys ay pinagkakaguluhan lang naman sa Manila, and now we would like to introduce them to you. For this vlog, I have one very simple job. Ubusin natin itong isang pack, which is actually 120 grams. If you are interested to buy this one, meron akong sikretong ibibigay sa inyo because the price of this one is 289 pesos for the regular and then 299 naman for the spicy. But you're gonna get a discount. Instead of 289 pesos, 249 pesos na lang dun sa original and 259 for the spicy. Guys, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tikman na natin to. Wow! Ngayon ka lang na-realize guys na yung 120 grams pala marami-rami na rin, and at the same time yung spicy nila para sa akin is around 6 or 7 out of 10 spiciness level, so medyo manghang. Ayun nga guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? So you can actually enjoy this as is without any dip. You can also include it sa mga favorite ninyong mga dishes like kare-kare, adobo, or caldereta. It's up to you guys. In itself, you can actually consume it. You can bring it anywhere in this sealed packaging. Dahil nga naka-sealed pack ang mga to, you can actually bring them to your family, to your colleague, or anywhere you go. So guys, if you're interested to know more about this, check out the fan page we're gonna be including in this post. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and kapag sinare nyo po, make sure to tag where in Pampanga. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for being with me in this video. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.